Welcome to my planet. Today we are going to watch list of 10 island countries. Before going to the video, please subscribe the channel My Planet. What is an island? A landmass surrounded by water and smaller than a continent will be considered as an island. In a similar way, a country's primary territory is surrounded by ocean or that are made of one or more islands will be considered as an island country. There's a difference between largest island and island countries. For example, Greenland is the world's largest island, but it can't be considered as an island country because it's an autonomous territory of Denmark. So a landmass surrounded by water will be called as island countries. There are some countries which shares the boundary with another island countries. United Kingdom shares boundary with Ireland, but both are an island countries. Now let's watch the list of 10 island countries. Indonesia is the world's largest island with 17,508 islands present in the region. The UN has officially registered nearly 16,671 islands. Sumatra, Borneo and Java are the largest islands present in Indonesia. Borneo shares international boundary with Malaysia and Brunei. Mount Puncak is the highest mountain in Indonesia. It is around 4,884 meters above the sea level. Here the mountain climbing and trekking attracts a lot of tourists from globe. Lake Toba is the largest lake in Indonesia, which is around 1,130 square kilometers. Also, Lake Toba is the largest volcanic lake in the world. Generally, island countries faces a lot of natural disasters. Indonesia is famous for its volcanic eruption. Indonesia has more than 600 volcanoes in which 127 are considered as active volcanoes. The Indonesian volcanoes are the part of Pacific Ring of Fire. Here, the impact of tsunami, earthquake and volcano are high and considered as a disaster-prone region. This leads to high casualties in this country. In the previous video, we have seen a lot about Indonesian forest. The link is available in the description. Madagascar, the biggest island country in the Indian Ocean, is considered as the second largest island country in the world with total area of 5,92,800 square kilometers. Madagascar split from the Indian subcontinent around 88 million years ago. Mount Maramakotro is the Madagascar highest mountain, which is nearly 2,876 meters above the sea level. Also, it attracts lots of tourists for mountain climbing and trekking. River Bestiboka is the longest river in the Madagascar, which is nearly 525 kilometers of length and looks red in color. Madagascar is also said as the Great Red Island due to the presence of red soil in the island. Madagascar has unique species compared to the other island. Baobab, a native species, is one of the unique and endangered plant species. This island has more than 12,000 plant species. There is no sign of lion, elephant, leopard and rhinoceros in these islands. This makes Madagascar a unique island compared to the other. But this island has a lot of poisonous snakes. Papua New Guinea. This island is located in the western part of the Pacific Ocean. This is the world's third largest island country with the total area of 4,62,840 square kilometers. Papua New Guinea is largely mountainous and much of it is covered with tropical rainforest. Mount Wilhelm is the highest mountain, which is nearly 4,509 meters above the sea level. There are several major rivers, notably the Sepik River, which is nearly 1,126 kilometers long. This country is situated on the Pacific Ring of Fire at the point of collision of several tectonic plates. There are a number of active volcanoes and eruptions are frequent. This leads to earthquake, tsunami and landslide, making this region a disaster-prone zone. In previous video, we have seen a lot about Papua New Guinea's forest. Link is available in the description. Japan. It is the fourth largest country in the world and the largest island country in East Asia, with an area of 3,77,975 square kilometers. It consists of 6,852 islands. Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku are the main islands. Mount Fuji is the highest mountain in Japan, standing 3,776 meters above the sea level and is a dormant volcano. It is the Asia's second largest volcanic mountain. River Shinano is the longest river in Japan with a length of 367 kilometers. Lake Biwa is the largest lake in Japan, which covers 670 square kilometers of area. The terrain is mostly rugged and mountainous with 66% of forest. Japan is located in the northwestern ring of fire on multiple tectonic plates. Japan has 108 active volcanoes, which is 10% of world's volcano. The continuous subduction process causes frequent tsunamis, volcanic eruption and earthquakes. As many as 1,500 earthquakes are recorded yearly. In 1923, Japan was recorded with destructive earthquake killing more than 130,000 of people. Philippines. It is the world's fifth largest island country with a total land area of 3 lakh square kilometers. The largest of this island is Luzon, which is about 1 lakh 5,000 square kilometers. Mount Apo is the largest mountain with an elevation of 2,954 meters and it is the dormant volcano. River Kangyang is the longest river in Philippines, which is 505 kilometers of length. The islands of volcanic origin being a part of Pacific Ring of Fire. Mount Tal is a volcanic mountain which had several violent eruptions in past causing loss of life. New Zealand is an sixth largest island country in the southwestern Pacific Ocean, comprises two main landmass, North and South Island. It consists of a large number of islands estimated around 600. The South Island is the largest island with an area of 1,50,437 square kilometers. Mount Cook is the highest mountain in New Zealand with an elevation of 3,724 meters and has 140 peaks standing over 2,000 meters. River Waikato is the longest river in New Zealand with a length of 425 kilometers. Lake Toba is the largest lake in New Zealand which covers nearly 616 square kilometers of land. United Kingdom. It is an island country lies between North Atlantic and the North Sea. It covers an area of 2,42,495 square kilometers and is the world's seventh largest island country. Mount Ben Nevis is the highest mountain in UK with an elevation of 1,340 meters above the sea level. River Severn is the UK's longest river with a length of 354 kilometers. Cuba. It is an island nation in the Caribbean Sea. It has an area of 1,09,884 square kilometers, making the 8th largest island country in the world. The main island consists mostly of flat to rolling plains. At the southeastern end is the Sierra Maestra, a range of steep mountain with an elevation of 1,974 meters above the sea level. River Quito is the longest river in Cuba with a length of 370 kilometers. Iceland. Iceland is an island country at the confluence of the North Atlantic and Arctic Ocean with an area of 1,03,001 square kilometer, making Iceland the 9th largest island country, and also it is the most sparsely populated country. This region is covered with glaciers. Nearly 10% of the region are covered by glaciers. Vatna Glacier is the largest glacier in Iceland, which has an area of 7,900 square kilometers with a thickness around 390 meters. Mount Nukur is the highest mountain in Iceland with an elevation of 2,110 meters. Ireland is an island country in the North Atlantic Ocean with an area of 70,273 square kilometers, making Ireland the 10th largest island country. Mount Carantwell is the highest mountain in Ireland with an elevation of 1,038 meters above the sea level. River Shannon is the longest river in Ireland with a length of 360 kilometers. I hope everybody has enjoyed the video. Please share and subscribe the channel. For further topics, kindly comment on comment section.